and each question will have four options, and you have to mark one correct option. And for marking your answer, you will have to use A4 size white paper. You have to write the question number and the correct answer like A, B, C, or D. And after you have to take the snap of the answer sheet, and you are required to send the answer sheet on my personal WhatsApp group. You should not use the this group meant for online. Rather, you have to send your answer on my personal WhatsApp group. I think that you have understood the method of answering your question. I want to repeat it again that there will be 40 multiple choice having four options, and it will be both from group A and group B. But most of the questions will be from group A, and some questions will be from group B, uh, and biotechnology. And and all the questions are of MCQ nature. There is no fill in the question. There is no short type question. Only multiple question will be there. And I first write class roll number, then on the answer sheet, you have to write name, class roll number, your semester name, like semester, education 2017-19, and then you have to write only the question number, and just below the question number, you have to write option like A, B, C, or D. You should not write anything other than the correct option. And after answering all the questions, you will have to send the answer sheet, the copy, the snap of your answer sheet of my personal WhatsApp group, and and there will be 15 minutes only. Time period will be, if I will start when your test will come in, you will have only 50 minutes, and and your answer should come to me just at the end of your exam. That when if the question examination start at 1:30 p.m., you will have to send your answer sheet on my personal WhatsApp group till 2:30 p.m. And this examination is very important. And after evaluation of your answer sheet, I will upload the marks obtained by in your test, in order to share it on this WhatsApp group. That and the result will be forwarded to our manager, principal, and that will be there. Your marks, your obtaining information will be available. I think that you will be. I have already that I have described you like, yeah, it's like
सर आवाज नहीं मिल रहा।
uh, and from group B, there will be question from the plant tissue culture.
सर सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है सर, बहुत ज्यादा आवाज में डिस्टर्बेंस हो रही है।
नेटवर्क
The network problem, yeah. And
यस सर।
from group B, I have taught you the plant tissue application of plant tissue culture, totipotency. Today I am going to take up the method of gene transfer, the method of gene cloning in dicot plant. And now let get ready to this very important. Yeah. And I have just listed this question in the list of important questions for your examination. You see, it's a very important topic like agrobacterium, agrobacterium tumefaciens, agrobacterium tumefaciens. But I have sent a clip, image of TI plasmid of agrobacterium on the WhatsApp group. That is the TI plasmid. I think that you have seen the image of this TI plasmid on whiteboard, which I have uploaded on this WhatsApp group. See the let us say what bacterium is. You know that genetic engineering. I think that you are well acquainted with the term genetic engineering, which is also known as RDT. Recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. Gene cloning. You know that the first gene cloning could be possible after the discovery of restriction endonuclease enzyme. You might have heard the name restriction endonuclease, which is used as a scissoring enzyme. It acts like scissor to cut the DNA at a specific point. This restriction endonuclease was discovered in 1970, and after the discovery of this restriction endonuclease, with the use of which we can cut the DNA at a particular specific site, the genetic engineering came into existence. It's a new branch which came in 1970s. Uh, then this restriction enzyme is a scissoring enzyme which is used to cut the DNA at a particular site. I think that so you know it very well that the first product of genetic engineering is the insulin. You know the insulin. Insulin is the a peptide hormone which is very important for the utilization of by the human being, so that our body uh, it, secretes beta cell found in the pancreas, I, might that you have the endocrine gland like thyroid and pituitary gland or isolate of Langerhans and pancreas. You know that this insulin is created by isolate of Langerhans present in pancreas, and this insulin helps in the utilization of uh, trans- this insulin catalyzes the uptake of glucose from the blood sugar in the uptake of glucose from the bloodstream to the our cell for its catabolism like glycolysis. If you lack insulin, what will happen? The glucose will remain in the bloodstream. It will not enter into your cells, and there will be no utilization or there will be a store. The glucose will get stored in your bloodstream, which is passed out to the urine. This is this is the very important hormone. The first hormone, insulin, it has the credit of being the first product of genetic engineering. I needed to take this example here because it is the insulin has the credit of being the first product of the genetic engineering. At first, genetic engineering was produced by cloning the human insulin gene into the bacterial cell. Now, insulin is produced by cloning human insulin by cloning into the animal cell to produce this insulin on large scale. Now, let us come back to the original topic. Original topic is the plant genetic engineering. In plant, you can also clone the desired gene. So, for cloning gene in the plants like dipot plants, it's very important, and there is a very important bacterium which is known as Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is a bacterium. It is a Agrobacterium tumefaciens is a species of Agrobacterium. The genus Agrobacterium, four well-known species like Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Agrobacterium rhizoides, Agrobacterium ruby, Agrobacterium very important out of these. And this bacterium has a special plasmid which is known as tumor-inducing plasmid. TI stand for TI. Tell me, Anushi, TI. TI stand for TI. Anyone? Can you tell me for what does these two alphabets stand? TI, tumor inducing. T for tumor inducing. Tumor inducing plasmid. Tell me what is the meaning of T? Hello?
आज बहुत इशू है सर।
बहुत कट रही है आवाज, एकदम आवाज नहीं।
cDNA. cDNA is a region present on this TI plasmid, as you have seen on the whiteboard.
Yes sir, I have seen sir and note it down also sir.
Yes, tDNA. T stands for transfer DNA. T stands for transfer DNA. And it is located on and it is located on the TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens. And there are there are 4 regions. There are 4 regions on this TI plasmid.
Yes, sir.
See the whiteboard image of whiteboard which I have sent you. There are four
Yes,
regions.
sir.
There are 4 regions on TI plasmid: region A, region B, region C, and region D. And the region and this region, the region A has region A the region A has the region A of this plasmid has tDNA, which is known as transfer DNA. This transfer DNA has a border region on both the right side and the left side, which is known as right border region and left border region. And this is the actual region, left border region and right border region, where the desired gene is uploaded for the gene cloning in the dicot plant. Beside this, there are other 3 regions like B region, which is a very important gene, which is known as origin of replication region, which is responsible for replication of this TI plasmid. And the region C has a very important gene, which is known as transfer gene, TRA genes, which is responsible for transfer. And and the D region is also very important because this D region has virulence genes, which
Gene.
there are 9 virulence genes on the TI plasmid on D region, and these 9 virulence genes are responsible for causing infection in the dicot plant. This is the TI plasmid, which is very important. The TI plasmid is found in the Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and this Agrobacterium tumefaciens is known as natural plant genetic engineer. This is known as natural. You will be asked in your examination to write the natural plant to comment upon the statement like uh, Agrobacterium tumefaciens as a natural plant genetic engineer. This agrobacterium is a pathogenic bacterium. It causes a plant tumor in plant, and a very excellent example of plant tumor is a crown gall disease of apple. When this agrobacterium infects the apple plant, it causes a tumor in the apple plant, and that disease is known as crown gall of apple. And this pathogenic bacterium, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, because of having TI plasmid, is used for cloning desired gene in dicot plant. This agrobacterium cannot be used for gene cloning in monocot plant. This agrobacterium does not infect any monocot plant. It attacks or infects. It has the capacity to infect only the dicot plant. It cannot infect the monocot plant. Therefore, this agrobacterium is used for cloning gene only in dicot plant, not in monocot plant. This is very important. And this,
Sir, now stop the video, sir. The
yes,
recording is too long, then you have problem in downloading the video, sir. So stop the recording. Yes, sir. Sir.